Hello, Blazers. Welcome to, I would say, the first episode of our podcast. I like to call it the ABC, the Ample Blaze Cast. So, for this first episode, it's been about nearly a month that I've not posted a video. I've been busy, as you can see with the screen, redesigning the website. Now, I have had help with this with a company called Aggressive ROI. They have managed to move the website from Wix to WordPress with my help. And this is it. This is our new website. So for the last 3 to 4 weeks, we've been doing this, actually a bit longer, through all the meetings that I've had with them and whatnot. Talking about what we need, what we don't need, how we want to make things, improved, things like that. So just wanted to tell you that's what I've been up to, because you guys can see the last video that I did on our YouTube channel was the NVIDIA graphic driver update and how to do that. So this video is our first official podcast video for ABC, and just going to talk about the new website redesign. So with the new website, it is still ampleblaze.com, so you still just need to put that in your browser and you will be taken to this new page. Now with this new page comes our new logo that we had on the old website as well. Thanks. Now, basic terms, let's just talk about the homepage first. So you can book an appointment by clicking that, which takes you to here. Okay. Now, from here, this also sits in bookable services. So in bookable services, you can actually go to data recovery straight out. Okay. This will take you to a calendar page. Now, how these work is basically you book a time and a date, or a date and a time, and then how we will get paid for it. We will send you an invoice via your email address. So let's say if I wanted to do January, let's say January 25th, you can see the times available. So let's say 6:15, and then you put in your details and you book the event. I'll get the email as normal and give you a call. Yeah, so you've got all that. Just send that across to us and we can send that to you. Please provide the phone number. The phone number should have been on that page. I'll have to have a look at that. Basically, so you've got bookable services. So we've got data recovery. So you've got the information of it right here on the left hand side. So you've got data recovery, remote services. Now we are still the same prices. So $70 for half an hour, for 1 hour it is $140. And please note, if you pay by credit card, there will be a credit card charge, but that's all normal. That hasn't really changed. It'll be the same 3 to 4% depending on the service that you use. Now, on top of this, we'll go back to the home page. What you will see on the home page is about us. That's just pulled across from the old page. If you want to look at what we do, again, this is your bookable services. We can recover your data. We've got remote services and file conversion, just to name a few, but there are more. So you've got data recovery, remote services, IT consult, custom video tutorial. So that custom video tutorial is $50 for us to create a custom video tutorial that you want. Now that price is negotiable, so if it's a small video tutorial, we can always discuss what's going on. Software, we do file conversions for you, whatever type of file, whether it be a document type of file, a video type of file, whatever, we can try and do that. If we can't, then we won't charge you. Then you've got the full virus scan as well. So those are the services, the bookable services, and they all have that calendar format. So you can try and just do the bookable calendar invitation, and we can organize a time for a call. Yeah, the other point of it is we've got all this stuff, and we've got our Google reviews. So you can see we've got a couple of our Google, our Ample Players customers that have given us some 5-star reviews. So thank you very much for that. And then you've got the Contact Us form at the bottom, and we've enabled the capture security there, so we don't get bombarded with nonsense. Now, the only other thing with the bookable services is it's 2 months in advance. So if you can't go forward in time and you want to go 3 months, 90 days, or 120 days, and you want to book something well in advance, and you can't do it via that page, send us an email via the contact form, and we'll get in touch with you and we'll book something in advance for you. Now, the other aspect of it is you can see our digital downloads. I will be adding more digital downloads because there's been a lot more videos done since these ones that have been added. So you can, this is our shop, you can add this to your cart and go through to the checkout and pay. Now here you can become a member of Ample Players. It won't cost you anything to sign up. You can sign up and add comments to our review pages, purchase stuff, so you've got your own profile, all that kind of stuff. Now, we do have linkages to our Facebook page, our YouTube page, our LinkedIn page, and a new feature is the WhatsApp. You can send us a WhatsApp message, and we will get it directly, and basically another way of contacting us directly. What else is new here? So with the reviews, as you guys know, I do movie reviews and TV show reviews. That's just something on the side that I enjoy doing. The latest review that I did yesterday was Top Gun. I got to manage to watch that through YouTube Movies. I purchased it. It's worth it. So if I would recommend, I know this is not more about computers and stuff, but you guys also know that I like my movies and TV shows. Recommendation of the year, if you need to watch something and you want to enjoy it, it is over 2 hours long, but totally worth it. Kids will enjoy it. There is a couple of swear words here and there, but relatively it's, for the whole family. Top Gun Maverick 2022. You can find this on Paramount Plus as well. I gave it a 9.5 to 10 out of 10. It's that good. If you guys have watched the first Top Gun, you will love the second Top Gun. It connects very well to the original story. 30 plus years after the fact, it hits on the sentimental heartstrings and gives you all the right feelings. The only thing that I would say was a bit off center was Jennifer Connelly's character. Just don't know how that linked into the new movie. I was reading some articles talking about it, saying that there are some references in the first movie, but hey, what do I know? Didn't see anything. And the Charlie character in the original movie, which was his first love of interest, from what I read, was that they did ageism because it's all about looking good. And even in one of the interviews that I saw with the actor, she was happy with it because she didn't fit the role. which I don't know if she was put up to say that, or you know, they just didn't manage to talk to her about it. But anyway, that's a high recommendation for end of 2022. Would highly recommend that. Falling for Christmas, not really. That was a 2 out of 10. Gargoyles, some 90s nostalgia there for you guys. Oh, an awesome South Korean TV show. Some K-drama right there. That was really good. I think I gave it an 8 or an 8.5 out of 10. Then we've got Pinocchio, and for the Marvel cinema people that love the whole Marvel universe, Thor: Love and Thunder. I actually didn't mind it. The music was good. The story about family. This story is about family and things like that. So I'd really recommend that. Dopesick. I would say this is the highest recommended TV show that you will find on Disney Plus. Go out and watch it. It's 8 episodes, about an hour long each, but totally worth it. It is so good. Highly recommended. Then you've got Devotion, which was an Italian love story about infidelity and all that kind of stuff. Two Hearts was it's a love story again, drama, about how two families become one. Not going to say much more about that. Let Them Talk. It was okay. It was on my Plex server. You can actually sit and watch it. It's a bit different. It's more of a, I would say, more of a book, more of a novel, made into a movie. Maybe the novel version would be better. There's plenty of reviews here. Just come to the ampleblaze.com, hit reviews and go through it. You've got plenty there to have a look at. I may make these reviews into videos, depending on how this goes. This actually turned into talking about a review of Top Gun and some of the movies. But basically, this is it, guys. If you want to know more about Ampleblaze, you can email us directly at info@ampleblaze.com. Everything is pretty much the same. We'll get in touch with you straight away, as well as quickly as we can. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this will be one of many podcasts that we can produce over time. And if you have any questions, just let us know. And please like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and do all those social media stuff. We have not got our proper Instagram page going yet, but we'll get there soon eventually. But yeah, if you can just like our YouTube and Facebook page for now, that will be highly appreciated. And thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.